I'm back with a brand new video, and today's video we are going to review another oil brand which is popular in India, which is the Fortune oils. And today we are going to review the Rice Bran oil from Fortune. So let's go ahead down to the review of the product. So it's a big can that I have. It's a 15-liter can, so I'm not going to carry it and show it to you all. So let's go and check out the product. This is the Fortune Rice Bran oil 15-liter packet that I have. It's a 15-liter can, and it comes packaged first of all in a cardboard box, and inside this cardboard box we have a 15-liter can. So first of all, on this cardboard box you can see the Fortune branding right here. Then the name of the product is Rice Bran Health, physically refined rice bran oil, reduces bad cholesterol and increases good cholesterol. That is a USP. It contains gamma oryzanol. That is what rice bran oil contains, gamma oryzanol, which is good for your heart. It says it's a new pack, and right here they are giving the price of the product as well, which is 2,950 for 15 liters. And here is the manufacturing date, which is 12th April 2021 as well, which is given here. So let's go ahead and open this pack and see how does the inside can look. Here we are just opened it, and we quickly remove the can out. So inside the box what we have here is a can of the Fortune Rice Bran oil. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So let's go ahead and pull this thing out first. It's a very heavy can. Here it goes, we have the can out. So here we have it. This is a Fortune Rice Bran oil 15-liter can. This is what we have here. And on the can also we can see the Fortune branding right here, which has been printed. And on the label also we have the Fortune branding. Then the Rice Bran Health, physically refined rice bran oil written right here. It contains gamma oryzanol. It's a 100% vegetarian product. It's a new pack. And right on the cap we can see the parent company's name, which is Adani Wilmar, which has been given there. And right here they are given the Nutritional Facts. Net contains at 30 degrees Celsius is 15 liters, and the weight is 13.65 kgs. These are the nutritional facts. Every 100 gram provides 900 calories. Fat is 100 gram. This is a breakup of the fat. 1000 mg is gamma oryzanol is 1000 mg. Vitamin E is 50 mg. Other vitamins something else. Vitamin A is 750 mg. Various information there. Yeah. So that's the information available. Again, here the price of the product is given 2950. Packaged on 12th April. The batch number is given here. This Fortune Rice Bran oil 15 liters comes really nicely packaged in this big 15 liters can. The only thing I expected with this is like a tap or something to flow out the oil, because removing oil from 15-liter can is going to be difficult with such a huge mouth here to open, so all oil might spill. So one thing that they should have provided in this packaging was like a tap or something here, through which you can easily pour out the oil, right? So that would be easy, but that isn't seen in the Fortune Rice Bran oil 15-liter pack. Like 5 liters I understand, but 15 liters is something that they should always provide a tap with for their packaging. So that's a suggestion to Fortune. Overall, there are many benefits of the rice bran oil. Like, it's good for your heart because it contains gamma oryzanol, which like improves your HDL levels and reduces your LDL, which is your bad cholesterol levels. It's a cholesterol lowering heart healthy oil. It has been providing you with younger skin. It has natural antioxidants which has been boosting in immunity, and it also has a high smoking point, so it's suitable for frying. Those are all the benefits of the Fortune Rice Bran oil. It's a healthier oil than using a normal sunflower oil, so it's a good thing. Even these popular blended oils which come, they contain, most of it contains like 80 to 70 to 80% is always a rice bran oil. So this is a Fortune rice bran oil here. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are looking to buy this product, I have left the link to this product in the description below, and do subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos.